All right, so for our group project, we decided to make a client for an online anonymous chat service called Omegel. Now, if anyone isn't familiar with it, basically you connect to, it's the idea, it's the same as chat roulette, but instead it's text only. But as of now, or recently rather, they added video support and requires latest Flash. So basically the idea is you connect to the website and you click the start button and you'll be connected to a random stranger. You don't know anything about them, it's just a random person, and it gives you the chance to meet people from anywhere in the world that's connected. So there's a lot of people who are fans of it, so we decided to make an Android client for Omegel. Now, of course, the software is our own application, as well as the Android OS. Currently just runs the 1.6 version on the G1 for the HTC. And for the current features, we have, it connects to a server, like a Java server, and it allows, the server connects the people who've connected to the server to each other, and it allows them to send messages to each other, and you can disconnect and then randomly be connected to another person. Now in the future, we want to be able to connect to the main Omegel server, so they can chat with the real deal instead of our own server. And also, if both parties want to exchange information, we want to implement something that would allow you to quickly do that instead of having to, manually type it. We'll just grab it or something.
Basically, what? Yeah, so basically, the protocol that Omegel uses is similar to a lot of other places, but it was really complicated to figure out at the beginning. They use JSON objects, which you post, which they reply with JSON objects. When you submit an HTTP post, you have to parse it for the data. There's certain codes you have to watch for, and you have to have a listener that's just waiting for them to give you something. You basically have to be posting every few seconds so that you can, because you'll get a response that tells you what is going on. Just like on the main site, it'll tell you user's typing, user has submitted a response, your stranger has submitted a response, disconnected. All those you have to listen for, and you do that by posting and waiting for the JSON object response. Let's just show you that.
Alright, so basically you have your main page, which is just like the introduction to Omegel, and you hit text, which is kind of hard to see on this. Go ahead and text. As soon as he hits it, it'll bring you to the chat box where it will connect you to somebody. Alright, now you've officially connected, and now you can start sending messages to people.
So let's send a message real quick. Because we weren't sure if we would have internet, we just automated responses. But
yes,
this is how.
So he types in "hey," and then the stranger will get that response on his end.
I'm always calling. That's funny.
That is funny. All right. Anyway.
Whoa.
Okay. So as soon as you send "hey," it'll send that off and it'll post it onto the site and it'll forward that to the stranger. The stranger will reply. And basically, you just go back and forth, whatever you want to write, and just keep on responding until. And if it gets a little weird, I mean, sometimes Omegel does get a little weird. Depending on what they want to say to you, you can just like disconnect and it'll just reconnect you to a brand new person.
Yeah, we need the user interface as clear as possible, so that way it's intuitive for the user. It's pretty simple. I mean, there's a box here that you have so you can input your characters whenever you want to speak to whatever stranger or whatever other people you're talking to. And over here is where all the dialogue and chat conversations being viewed.
Anyway, automated response.
Yeah.